today's video, we'll be looking at the structure of Indian judiciary. So first one is on the top, we have the Supreme Court of India. So this is an image of Supreme Court. So Supreme Court, its decisions are binding on all courts. So and it can transfer judges of High Court and can move cases from any court to itself, and also can transfer from one High Court to another. So that is from Delhi. Suppose the Delhi High Court, or say suppose Chennai High Court to uh, Karnataka High Court. That kind of transfer is possible in the case of it can be done by Supreme Court. Then High Court. High Court, it appears or it hears appeals from lower courts and can issue writs for restoring fundamental rights, then can deal with cases within the jurisdiction of the state. So it is enclosed in the state. All matters under the happening in the state is done by or dealt by the High Court and exercise superintendence and control over courts below it. So there are other courts below it. So we will look into that also. That is the district courts. So each district has a court, apex court. So it deals with cases arising in the district, considers appeals on decisions given by lower courts, and decides cases involving serious criminal offenses. So, and under district courts, we have subordinate courts. So, subordinate courts, what do? They do cases that are civil and criminal in nature. So, I hope today's session was productive for you guys. Until we meet again, God bless you all. Jai Hind.